Hello friends, welcome. Today that is on September 16, 2022. So I have taken a few trades. So let us discuss the trades which I have taken. So the first trade will be discussing from metal sector. So the trade which I have taken is from JSW Steel. First we'll see how the metal sector has performed. So it went, it was completely in the downtrend. So I thought of capturing this phase from 10 o'clock to 11:45. So it was in sideways. So I thought of capturing this phase. So parallelly, I got a chance of taking an entry in JSW Steel. So after formation of this swing, so I thought of taking an entry in JSW Steel. So my entry price was at 688 and it got executed around 11:16 a.m. 11:16. Just a moment. Sorry, it got executed around 11:06 a.m. So in this candle, around 11:06 a.m. my trade got executed. So entry price was at 688, and I have placed my stop loss exactly at below of this swing. At low of this candle, I have placed my stop loss. So you can see it hit my stop loss. And I have noticed one thing. So in sideways market, it's better to put some points as buffer. So immediately after formation of this candle, again I re-entered this stock at the same price. So that is at 688, and I have placed my stop loss as 686 at this time. And you can see it gave a good rally. So I thought of exiting at 694, but I did not exit. So I have exited at 690. So I took only 1 is to 1. So where it was giving me 1 is to 3, I did not exit at 1 is to 3. So I exited at 1 is to 1. 690.15 was my uh, exit price, and my exit time was around 12:10 p.m. Yeah, so exactly in this candle I have exited my trade. So let's see the second trade. So that is from banking stock. S- So that is a banking stock. So I have taken the trade in State Bank. So after formation of this candle, so I thought of going for a short position in State Bank. So you can see the sector. So it was continuously going down. So it was completely in downtrend. So because of which I also thought of going for a downtrend for a short position. So after formation of this candle, so I thought of going for a short position in State Bank. So accordingly, I have taken my entry at 562.50. So in this candle, my trade got executed. So that is at 225 candle trade got executed, and here also I have placed my stop loss at exactly at high of this swing. So that is at a high of this candle, 563.50. So I should have taken some extra points as buffer. See here, I should have placed instead of placing 563.50, I should have placed 564. Yeah, but it hit my stop loss again after formation of this candle and this 235 candle and 245 candle. So again I thought of entering the stock, and again I placed a short position. So my trade got executed around uh, 3 p.m. The 3 p.m. candle, my trade got executed. Entry price was at 563, and I should have placed my stop loss taking some buffer points, but here also I have placed immediately at the high of this candle. So that is at 564 I have placed my stop loss. So again it hit my stop loss. So back to back two trades and back to back two stop losses. So yeah friends, that is all for today. See you in the next video.